It's to Jackie and Little Puppet for this. Why are you taking so long? Just take it, and that's it. Is this safe? Yeah, just hurry up and grab the dang star. It looks dangerous. With the star, we will be able to destroy everything. It'll be so much fun. There's something about it that terrifies me. I have a bad feeling. I'll be fine. If anything happens, I'll help you. I'm scared. Come on, I thought you said you'd do anything for me. Or is it that you don't love me enough? What? Okay, I'll do it for you, Sev. I can't let go. The light is too strong. It's burning my skin. It hurts so much. Please help me, Sev. Evan? Come on, hurry up. I have to run away.